Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm gonna tell you about long boots for girls. Long boots for girls are a great fashion choice. They can really elevate an outfit and give a stylish look. Long boots can be styled in so many fun ways. You could pair them with skinny jeans or leggings for a chic and casual look. Dresses or skirts with long boots can also create a trendy and stylish outfit. Experimenting with different combinations can help you find what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Trendy color for long boots can vary, but classically neutrals like black, brown, and tan are always popular choice that can easily match with different outfits. You can also consider trying out bold colors like burgundy, navy, or even white for a more fashion forward look. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.